Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a delicious hazelnut mocha affogato that's creamy, chocolatey, and packed with rich espresso flavor. This easy dessert coffee recipe combines smooth vanilla ice cream, bold espresso, chocolate syrup, and sweet hazelnut goodness into one irresistible treat. It's the perfect combination of dessert and coffee for relaxing evenings, dinner parties, or anytime you want something extra indulgent. Let's get started together. Ingredients: 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, 2 shots hot espresso, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon hazelnut syrup, whipped cream chocolate shavings or cocoa powder, crushed hazelnuts for topping directions. Start by placing 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream into a serving glass or dessert bowl. Drizzle chocolate syrup around the ice cream for extra rich mocha flavor. Add the hazelnut syrup directly over the top to create a sweet and nutty layer. Next, brew 2 fresh shots of hot espresso. Slowly pour the espresso over the ice cream just before serving. The hot coffee melts the ice cream slightly, creating a creamy and luxurious mocha affogato texture. Top the dessert with whipped cream, then sprinkle chocolate shavings, cocoa powder, and crushed hazelnuts over the top for the perfect finishing touch. Serve immediately while the espresso is hot and the ice cream is cold for the ultimate cafe-style dessert experience. This hazelnut mocha affogato is rich, smooth, and perfect for coffee and chocolate lovers alike. Thank you so much for watching today's hazelnut mocha affogato recipe video. I hope you enjoyed making this creamy coffee dessert with me. It's rich, smooth, easy to prepare, and perfect for satisfying sweet coffee cravings anytime. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious coffee drinks, dessert recipes, and cafe-inspired treats. I'll see you in the next cozy and chocolatey video adventure. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.